Hi all, this is Soumya. I am here to show you my first Hoya bloom. I'm very much happy. I can't express it in my words. I might blabber because I'm not a video person. I'm very much shy in front of camera, so please stay with me. Before showing the plant, I would give you little background about this plant, how I collected. Definitely I didn't buy this plant, and I went for a trip, and there was a tree which has fallen due to overgrowth of termite. It might be a very old tree, but lot of orchids and hoyas were uh, leaving their life on that plant, but it was getting dried out. It might be fallen 1 month ago, I don't know, but lot of dehydration was happened. I collected few orchids and few hoyas, so I thought let's give a try. I love hoyas. Please ignore my messy background there. That is a AC outlet. So yeah, let's go. First, I collected the Hoya samples and I tried to propagate it through water. You can see this, right? It's very much dehydrated. Yeah, guys, this is a Hoya Vigitii or YTI. However you want, you can pronounce it. But it has a nice root growth. In water, it rooted very fast, and ta-da, there is a new growth as well. This leaf is very healthy. See? But definitely I want to mention, if you want to collect it, for if you are a foliage person, then definitely this is not a plant for you guys. I don't see anything attractive in the leaf, but to mention, it's very good flower fragrance is like kind of jasmine. So this is another way I tried, but due to yesterday's wind and rain, it came out, but still it rooted very nicely. Yeah, now I'm going to show the main portion where I collected lot of stems. Yeah, the main mother plant is here. I can't say mother plant. It didn't rooted. I collected many dehydrated pieces. I don't think many will survive, but definitely I am seeing a new growth. Along with that, it's a very good attractor of mealybug. So guys, this is the bloom. I don't know. It's not coming properly. So, and another bud is here. I don't know if you guys are able to see it here. Yeah, that was my Hoya video. Definitely you can give a try, but I don't know, I'm not able to clear out these mealybugs. There are so many, and lot of it attacks on the peduncle, mainly the bud part or the new growth. So I tried neem oil soap solution, but nothing is working out as of now. So let's see how I can make it survive. I don't know how to give a support and all. It's so messy now. the main plant. It's so messy. If you have any suggestions, please give me. Yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, but definitely I want to give a message. Don't ever disturb the natural habitat. Many suggestions came when I collected this, when I posted this on Insta. Many suggestions, comments came saying that don't disturb the natural habitat. I love nature, but I never try to get anything living healthy in the nature. This was like I tried to rescue this plant and I got it. Definitely I don't encourage people to get it from wild, uh, but definitely when you say a rare plant or something like that, uh, the seller definitely from somewhere he will get it from wild only. So directly or indirectly we are disturbing the nature. So keep it that in mind and go with your plant collections. Bye guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. Bye.